Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, install any pending updates because voiceover bugs often follow outdated firmware. Once done, open Settings right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Voiceover to see status. Make sure it's toggled off before a reset. If you can't see controls, triple-click the side button to invoke Accessibility shortcut. Also, keep the phone charged above 20% and connected to Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions during installs or syncing. Now you dive into the middle steps. Toggle VoiceOver off, wait 10 seconds, then re-enable it and test basic gestures. Tap once, double tap to activate, and 3-finger swipe to scroll, because this clears transient glitches. If problems persist, reset only accessibility settings. This preserves data while restoring VoiceOver defaults. Once reset, reconfigure speech rate and verbosity to comfortable levels. If VoiceOver still misreads or is silent, proceed to a broader reset from General to restore system accessibility behavior without erasing. Finish by backing up your iPhone to iCloud because a restore can fix deep software corruption. Restore settings or perform a full restore and then test VoiceOver immediately. Make sure audio is routed correctly. Disconnect Bluetooth, test speaker, and wired headphones, since silent output often mimics voiceover failure. If you still see issues, reboot after removing accessories and SIM, then test again. This isolates hardware conflicts. If nothing helps, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics. Don't delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.